Yes, hello students. Now today we are going to discuss division of fraction. Now in division of fraction, I am discussing first the main points with you. The first point, division of a whole number by a fraction. Division, I am repeating once again, division of a whole number by a fraction. For example, I have taken here 3 is a whole number divided by 6 by 7. Now what to do here? Now I will take reciprocal of this. So you can see here 3 multiplied by 7 by 6. Now what is the meaning of reciprocal? Means this number will be numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. So you can see here 7 was down, it came up, and 6 was up, it came down. So you can see here the answer now 7 by 6. Now you can see when we do cancellation, it comes like this: 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. The answer is 7 by 2. This is the first point. Now second point, reciprocal of a fraction. Now what is the reciprocal? Reciprocal already I discussed here. Again I will discuss the reciprocal of fraction with you. Reciprocal of fraction, the fraction is 8 by 7. The fraction is 8 by 7. Therefore the reciprocal of 8 by 7 is equal to 7 by 8. Numerator became denominator and denominator become numerator. So it is this when we write reciprocal, we have to write reciprocal of 8 by 7. Don't do mistake like this here, writing reciprocal as 8 by 7 is equal to 7 by 8. It is wrong. It is not allowed. We have to write reciprocal of 8 by 7 is equal to 7 by 8. Now the next point, division of fraction by whole number. So I am now dividing, first number is fraction, second is whole number. Now you can see 2 by 3 divided by 6. In this it was whole number, but here now it is first fraction. So 2 by 3 divided by 6. So 2 by 3. Now I will take reciprocal of 6. The reciprocal of 6 is I will take as 1. So here I will count. Now it comes reciprocal of 6 by 1. So it becomes 1 by 6. So 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 6. So you can see now always the cancellation happens up and down. So 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now you can see 3 3s are 9. So 1 by 9 is the answer. Now next, division of fraction by other fraction. Now both numbers are fraction here. In this case both are fraction. So and now 3 by 2, this second number I will take reciprocal. Always I am taking reciprocal of the second number. So you can see here 12 by 10, reciprocal will be 10 by 12. Now we will do the cancellation. 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12, 2 ones are 2, and 2 5s are 10. The answer is 5 by 4. These 4 points I am going to use in this exercise 2.4. I am going to use these 4 points. So please be clear in this point. First point I discussed with you, division of whole number by fraction. Second point, reciprocal of fraction. Third point, division of a fraction by a whole number. The next point, fraction, division of fraction by other fraction. Now let us see the first question. They said here, find the value of 12 divided by 3 by 4. Now 12 divided by 3 by 4. So you can see here, I will take reciprocal of this 3 by 4. So 12 multiplied by 4 by 3. So what is the answer now? You can see here 12 multiplied by 4 by 3. Now you will cancel here. 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12. The answer is 16. This is the first part. I am repeating once again, 12 divided by 3 by 4. So I will take reciprocal of the second number, that is 3 by 4 or second fraction. So 3 by 4. Now 3 by 4 reciprocal is 4 by 3. Now always cancellation happens up and up to down or down to up. So you can see here 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Now similar like this only, I will take reciprocal of 7 by 3. So it comes 3 by 7. But you can see 7 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, and this number is not coming in table of 7. So it is not possible to reduce. So I will write this here. The answer is 8 3 is 24. 24 by 7 is the answer. You can see I am doing here fifth part. I am doing here, it is actually a fourth part. And this is actually, sorry, it is the third part. And this is the fifth part. right? Now the fifth part, now 3 divided by, now first I convert this mixed fraction to a fraction. So it comes like this here, 3 divided by 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 3. Now I will take reciprocal of this. So what is the reciprocal of 7 by 3? 7 by 3 will be 3 by 7. So 3 multiplied by 3 by 7. And you can see 7 is a prime number and this number is not multiple of 7. So it will not cancel out. The answer is 9 by 7. And in this exercise, I am going to give this as a homework. Question number 1, part 2nd, 4th and 5th, 6th. All the even parts I am giving homework. Question 2, 3, 4. Now I am going to discuss question 2, 3, 4 just now after some time. Okay. Question number 2 now of exercise 2.4. Continuing from question number 1. Now find the reciprocal and classify as improper, proper or a whole number. Now first part is 3 by 7. What is here? 3 by 7. First part is 3 by 7. So the reciprocal of 3 by 7 is equal to 7 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 by 7. So numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. You can see the answer is 7 by 3. Now you can see 7 by 3 is an improper fraction. So the answer is improper fraction. Now 9 by 7. So it becomes 7 by 9. Now 7 by 9 you can see is which type of fraction? 7 by 9 is which type of fraction? 7 by 9 you can see it is proper fraction. So 7 by 9 is proper fraction. Right here. Now next, fifth part, 12 by 7. 12 by 7, the reciprocal of 12 by 7 is equal to 7 by 12. Now you can see 7 by 12 also is a proper fraction. So the answer will come here as proper fraction. Right here. Now 1 by 11. 1 by 11 is equal to the reciprocal of 1 by 11 is equal to 11 by 1. And you can see 11 by 1 means actually 1. 11, sorry. So it means 11 is a whole number. It is a whole number. It is a whole number. Right here. Now, question number 3. It is given here, find the value of this first part, 7 by 3 divided by 2. Now we know second number to be taken reciprocal. So the answer comes here 7 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 2. The answer comes here 7 to the 7 and it comes 3 to the 6. So I am writing properly here once again. It comes 7 by 6. You can see the answer is 7 by 6 here. Now, and this third part is now I am writing here 6 by 13. Let me see once the problem. 6 by 13 divided by 7. Divided by 7. Again the reciprocal of second fraction. So it comes 6 by 13 multiplied by 1 by 7. You can see 7 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number, and they are not multiple. 6 is not a multiple of this. So it comes like this here. 6 1 is 6 and 13 7 is 91. 91 is 6 upon 91 is the answer. Next, fifth part, 3. So I convert this into a fraction. You can see 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 by 2 divided by 4. You can see now 7 by 2 multiplied by, so it becomes reciprocal of this. So it comes here 1 by 4. And you can see the answer comes here 7 1 is 7 and 2 4 is 8. So 7 by 8 is the answer. What is the answer? 7 by 8. Now I am starting question number 4. This is 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. You can see here both numbers are fraction. In this, both numbers are fraction. So it is only a change here 2 by 5 and it comes here 2 by 1. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 1. So it comes 2 to the 4. 4 by 5 is the answer. Now here you can see again by 7. So it comes 3 by 7 multiplied by 7 by 8. Now you can see here, if you want to cancel, we can cancel up and down. You can see 3 table 8 is coming, no. 7 table 7 is coming, yes. 7 1 is 7, 7 is 7. The answer is 3 by 8. Now you can see here again, this is actually a mixed fraction. I will convert it to improper fraction or a normal fraction. So here you can see 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, and here comes division becomes multiplication, and it becomes here 3 by 8. And now you can see it is possible to cancel. In 7 table 8 is not coming, 2 table 3 is not coming, so we can't reduce. The answer comes 7 3 is 21 upon 16 is the answer. Now you can see the next also, it is both are mixed fraction. So first we have to convert into a improper fraction or normal fraction. What you say? So 3 5 is 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 by 5, and division becomes multiplication. So 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, and plus 2. So 5 by, it becomes, let us do step by step. Here 3 1 is 3, and it becomes 5 by 2. Sorry, 5 by 3. Right here 5 by 3. So it comes here 16 by 5. Now division becomes multiplication. So 3 by 5. Right here you can see now, any possibility cancellation is there? No. You can see 5 table 16 is not coming, 3 5 table 3 is not coming. The answer comes here 16 3 is 48 upon 25 is the answer. I'll discuss once again with you. All the parts are there. You can see here in the first question number 2, I have found the reciprocal. To the third part, I am dividing fraction by a whole number. In the fourth part, I am dividing fraction by a fraction. And here in the last 2 parts, it is actually mixed fractions are given. So we have to be careful in this way. And mostly it is based upon the 4 points what I discussed in starting. So I think this all doubts will be clear by clearing all the 4 points. If you have any doubt, we will see next time. Okay then.